Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to sign into Netflix on your TV by scanning the QR code, which is one of the quickest ways to log in without typing your email and password using the remote. So first, make sure your TV is turned on and that the Netflix app is open. If you're using a Roku, just press the Home button on your remote and look for the Netflix channel. You can also use the Netflix button on the remote if your remote has one. Once the Netflix app loads, you'll see an option that says Sign In. Select it. On the screen, you should now see a QR code, along with a URL in case you want to sign in from a computer or through your phone's browser. To sign in using the QR code, take your smartphone and open your camera. Point the camera directly at the QR code on the TV screen. Your phone will recognize the code and show a link. Just tap that link and it will take you straight to the Netflix sign-in page. Log in using your normal Netflix email and password, and once you confirm, your TV will automatically update and sign in. If your phone doesn't automatically scan QR codes, you can use any free QR scanner app from the App Store or Google Play. And if scanning still doesn't work, you can also open a browser and type the web address shown on the TV manually. It will lead you to the same login page. There's also a backup option. If you prefer to log in directly on the TV, just choose Sign In with Remote and then type your Netflix email and password using the on-screen keyboard. Once you're signed in, you're ready to start watching your shows and movies normally. And that's all there is to it. Quick and easy. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about what streaming tutorial I should do next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.